Previously on My Japan series.
Good morning! Fit check before tayo umalis ng hotel. Coat, inner shirt na. All black ako today. Straightforward bag. And boots. There we go, that's my fit. What's your outfit for today? Basta naka-Zara siya. Zara to na top, di ba? Zara top. And trousers and boots. Ano outfit mo today? Ang ganda nung denim jacket niya. Parang may ma-arbor ako. And leather skirt, tsaka golden goose. We'll be going to the train station kasi pupunta kami ng Meiji Jingu Shrine.
Di ba tayo kumakain?
Ay, oo nga. Family Mart?
Dito?
Oo, egg sandwich. Okay. Our breakfast place. Family Mart. That one. Check natin kung may mayonnaise para kay Kier. Na parang nakakaintindi ako ng Japanese.
May mayonnaise.
Parang wala. Pero kung hindi ka sure, may margarine dyan tsaka pancake. Taste test! Family Mart. Ay, nakabili na kami. So we got, syempre, maple and margarine. Ito onigiri ni Kier. Salmon. And egg sandwich. So dito kami magte-taste test sa harap mismo ng Family Mart.
At sa harap na maraming tao.
Ang ganda ng bread nila dito. Walang crust. Super harap.
Ha?
Ay, nagbablog pala ako. Uy, yung cute ng belt na nabili ko sa TikTok. Link down below. Kaya ko siya tinaas kasi. Ito.
Para kasi
Pipigilan mo sabihin.
Hala! Ibiblip ko yun. Nakablip yun for sure. Hindi ibiblip ko yun kasi ibiblip ko din yun. Malalaman lang kung sino tinutukoy natin.
Sino?
Blip mo yun, nasa editor ko. Ako rin yun. Guys, if there's something na marirecommend ko from Family Mart, ito talaga. Maple and margarine. Tsaka dito pala, bawal kumain ng naglalakad.
oo.
At sinabi ko yun habang ginagawa ko. And then tonight, we'll be meeting with Sandra. Mamimit ko siya today. She's my best friend. Tagal ko na siyang kaibigan. Grabe. Sandra, if you're watching this, thank you so much for helping us here. May nakaalala sa akin. As a Filipino, number, comment down below. Kamusta yung onigiri?
Malamig.
Out of 10.
3.
Hindi niya nagustuhan yung onigiri kasi malamig nga naman yung kanin. And by the way, it's not raining. Maganda yung weather today. Walang araw, pero maaga pa naman. Ano bang temperature today? Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's 18 degrees right now.
Ayan, 18 degrees. Ayan, we're done eating dito sa Family Mart. And we'll be going to Meiji Jingu Shrine na. So, come with us. Kakatapos lang namin sa Meiji Jingu Shinto Shrine. Daming tao. Daming tao. Pero okay naman yung experience. Ano lang siya. Expected naman na yun pag tourist spot. Pero right now, we're headed to Harajuku sa Takeshita Street. So let's see kung may mabibili kami doon or ano magagawa namin. Pero definitely, magta-try kami ng mga pagkain ni Kier.
I'm here for the food.
Yes, we're here for the food. And now that we're done here sa Meiji Jingu Shrine, we are walking towards Harajuku. And madadaanan namin yung sake barrels nila dito. It's one of the spots na pinupuntahan nila. So, gusto niyo makakita. Ito na siya.
Gusto niyo makita, punta kayo.
Talagang busy sila na mag-take ng perfect shot. Tingnan nga natin. Wow naman talaga.
I-clean up natin.
Ayun, ang ganda rin ang shot niya.
Mas maganda ito.
Ako naman. Serious naman talaga. Gusto niyo makita? The sake barrels. Yun lang. Maglalakad na ulit kami. We still have ilang minutes ba kami maglalakad? Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung lalakarin namin. We have 12 minutes left to walk. Let's go!
Do we have a choice?
Wala rin. Alam mo, yun lang yung nakakaano dito. Dito sa ginawa namin sa Meiji Jingu. If halfway, you've decided not to continue, wala kang choice. Magpapahinga ka lang, pero talagang kailangan mo pa rin tumuloy. Kasi wala namang papasok dito na Grab, or Uber, or tricycle, kalesa, wala. Guys, this is what we have to walk.
Ito ba yung nilakad natin kanina?
Yes.
Or ibang
Ay, hindi.
side?
Ibang area na to. So, parang in total, puro lakad ang ginawa namin sa Meiji Jingu.
Ano to? Walk-on.
Oo. At sa tingin nyo ba, tama ang naging outfit ko today? Nakikita nyo ba? Naka-Chelsea boots, oversized suit, and pants. Tama ba yung naging outfit ko? I don't even know. Pero etong outfit kasi na to, it was supposed to be for the city. And itong Meiji Jingu, pinuntahan lang namin siya ngayong umaga kasi malamig. Maganda naman yung pupuntahan. So, it's worth it. Look at the view. Ang sad kasi di nabibigyan ng justice ng camera. Yung ganda. So, mag-enjoy muna kayo sa mga montage na ipi-play ko dyan. At kung wala, magkita na lang tayo sa Harajuku. Tara na!
Tara na.
Bye!
So dati,
Come back today on Beautiful You. Umupo muna ako. Ayan. Dito sa dadaanan namin papuntang Takeshita Street. Kaya kami umupo dito kasi nakita namin na may mahabang pila. And we know, kung may mahabang pila, may hyped na something. So, akala namin ito yun, but it's not. It's actually the donut. It's actually the donut na pinipilahan nila. I'm donut. So, si Kier, currently yung nakapila. Sa'yo siya. Si Kier, currently last in line. Okay, mag-alala. Lalapitan ko naman si Kier mamaya. Ito. Kakao. Sige, yun ako. So, naka-order na kami ng donut. Pero nakapila pa rin kami ni Kier. Actually, ngayon lang ako tumayo. After 5 minutes of sitting down.
Hi friends, welcome to the first episode of Taste Test. We're trying out the famous I Am Donut and the matcha place beside it.
So yeah, we're here in Takeshita Street. Super daming tao. So di natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. May Capybara Cafe! Look at that. Are they there? No photo from outside.
Capybara?
Oo, bawal daw picturean. So pupunta na tayo ng Gyokatsu kasi feeling ko mahaba na yung pila. It opened at around 11 a.m. And time check, it's already 11:39. Siguro we'll just stroll around Takeshita Street. We'll try to see if may mapapurchase kami, pero I doubt. Kasi ang hinahanap na namin are shoes, Uniqlo, GU, yun yung mga hinahanap namin.
Pagkain.
Yeah. Pero hindi kami dun sa mga souvenir or cutesy things. Let's see if may mabibili kami dito. If meron, I'll let you know. Pag wala, di wala. There we go. And now we are about to go out the Takeshita Street. So we're here sa along Harajuku and we've found this building. Nandito yung Gyokatsu Motomura. Ayan. So medyo maliit lang siya.
And all you have to do is to go down this steep stairs. And we have to fall in line. Here. Yan, kakain tayo ng Gyukatsu Motomura. This is one of the highlights dito sa Japan na talagang nilook forward ko. Highlights when it comes to food. I think ito yung cutlet na niluluto siya sa stone. Tapos, actually, cook na yun. Pero it's up to you kung gusto mo pa siya mas luto. Yung doneness ng beef mo. So, ayan sila, namimili sila ngayon. At saka yung set nila, 1,918 yen, yung pinaka-cheapest. So, dyan ko na lang lalagay dun sa gilid ko kung how much yung conversion niya. And it already includes one cutlet, may rice na siya, may salad, ay may vegetables, may dessert na siya and soup. Papakita ko sa'yo. Feel free to pause the video if you need to see it. Pero ito sa amin, 1918. 130 grams of beef cutlet. Uy, sobrang nilulook forward ko to. There! I'm so excited! So we're just waiting for our turn to sit down. Finally, nakaupo na kami and nakuha na namin yung food namin. So ito yung kasama ng set na pinakita ko kanina. I told you, it's a lot.
Beef bread, alga sauce, soy sauce, wasabi sauce, tororo on rice, Japanese pickles, miso soup, spicy fish, dessert.
So, titikman na natin siya. So, iluluto na namin siya dito sa stone. Let's try. Okay. Next side. Okay. Finally, let's try the beef. Harap. Ang lambot niya. Let's try with soy sauce. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Wala na kayo ba nasabi? Masarap. So, see, kain muna kami.
So, yes. So, ano masabi? Titake over natin yung vlog niya.
Ano ba pwede kong masabi sa iyo? Masakit na ng paa. Because of this. Pero, cute naman siya. So, titiisin ko lang kung paano.
Okay. Dahil dyan, fit check.
Feel na feel.
Hindi, tama na, tama na.
May isa akong malaking kasalanan. Gabi na pala. Time check, it's already 6:40 p.m. We are in Ginza. And actually, na-meet na namin si Sandra. And hindi ko nakalimutan mag-vlog, but it just so happened na Shibuya was full packed. Ay, ayan, ito siya na to. Ito na siya.
Hello, everyone.
Hindi ko rin
Welcome
alam.
to Dubai.
Ha, hindi to Dubai. Isasabi ko sa kanila, may isa akong malaking kasalanan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung na-meet ka namin at ang dami na natin nagawa since then. Nakapag-coffee na kami and catch up sa Hermes Cafe. So, hindi na namin kinasama doon kasi first, hindi
Bahala
naman...
na kayo, guys. Imagination nyo ang limit. Kung ano
Oo.
mga nangyari kanina.
Tsaka hindi din kasi pwede mag-film. So, feeling ko naman may nakuha kaming konti. Tapos makikita nyo bigla siyang nakat. And dito na kayo sa clip na to.
Na bawal.
Yeah. So, ang ginawa lang namin ay nag-catch up, nag-coffee, and some dessert. Actually, ano na yung dessert namin? Ngayon pa lang kami magdi-dinner. Saan yung dinner natin?
Ginza steak.
So, I guess we're having steak for dinner. Pina-reserve niya yung dinner namin tonight. Let's see kung gano'n siya kasarap. Medyo tumaas na yung expectations ko kasi kanina nag-Gyukatsu Motomura kami. So,
Masarap siya, masarap.
Ang
Like,
sarap
it melts
nung-
in your mouth, like literally.
Kayo ba, meron kayong expectations for the dinner tonight?
Yung steak?
Yeah, yung steak.
Ako, my only expectation is sana gwapo naman yung chef this time.
Bakit hindi ba gwapo nung nakaraan?
Maganda siya, cute siya. So this time, gusto ko naman boy.
Ah, okay.
Cute si ate last time.
Ah, babae yung chef nung nakaraan. Hopefully, tomorrow makapag-vlog ako ng maayos kasi maaga kami aalis. Tomorrow's call time is 6 a.m.
You have to.
It's gonna be our Mount Fuji plus Gotemba Day. So, probably puputulin ko na to after ng dinner namin. Guys, pagpasensya na ako dahil first vlog ko pa lang naman to. We're just walking towards our reservation for Ginza steak. I'm just excited for it. Here we are. Yan. This is our menu for tonight. Yeah, tomorrow.
This is your birthday son.
Yeah, my birthday. Bakit? Parang maiiyak siya. Bakit? I-zoom in mo yun. I'll just have water. Water. Thank you. Tama ba yung narinig ko? Sabi niya, ikaw. Tama ba yung narinig ko? Sabi niya, tumabi siya sa akin. Sabi niya, what drinks daw? Tapos sabi ko, I just have water. Tapos sabi niya kay Jake, ikaw. Tatagalog pala siya. Sabi niya, ikaw. Sabi niya. Sabi ba?
Hindi ba?
Hindi, akala ko lang ba? Okay, so they're starting to serve our food. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is what I love about Japan. They give you towels to sanitize your hands before eating. That's how much they value hygiene here. So this is the charcoal grilled duck. First time ko matatry mag-duck. Charcoal grilled duck and grilled seasonal vegetable with persimmon sauce. That's our first one. This is what we're having. It's the same for everybody. Same course lang kaming lahat. Okay, let's try the duck. It's good, pero the thought of I'm eating a duck scares me. I think it's fish.
It's sweet. Lasa. Isa mo po sa ano dito.
Ayan. Itas. Tama naman. It's better.
Ang hindi ko din kumakain ng mushroom.
Hindi ako nagmamashroom. Pero, tikman natin. This one. Not really a fan of mushroom. But the duck, it's good. Masarap to. Hindi ko gusto talaga yung mushroom. Okay, thank you. So I'll show you what we got. This is our burdock.
Ay, 10 out of 10 sa akin. KFC.
Tama yung sinasabi nila. Lasa siyang KFC. Yeah. And for someone na who doesn't like mushroom, okay siya sa akin. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, oo.
Mushroom soup.
Yeah. Mushroom soup I can tolerate. Guys, nasimot ko siya. Masarap talaga siya. Promise. All done. Even them. Masarapan din sila. Thank you. What would you rate it? I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Rating nyo?
I think 7.
10? 100?
7 kasi walang chicken.
Okay, this is what we got. Here's the salmon. Guys, the A5 Wagyu beef is here. And that looks so good.
Ang sarap nito. Even the sauce. Sarap. Guys, so good, I swear. Last bite of the sukiya. 10 out of 10. Now we have our karaoke beef. There. Tumitikim na sila. And siya nagbe-video pa. Ayoko ng doneness na ganito. Yung pink-pink pa siya. Pero, you know what? Ang sarap niya. I'm gonna try it with garlic. 1, 2, 3. Garlic to soy sauce. My God.
Ay, hindi mo? Hindi ko pa nilagay.
One more time. 1, 2, 3. Alam nyo, walang halong OA. Masarap. Look. Let's try. Siguro sabi ng chef, tagal nyo kumain. Tapos na ako, sabi niya. Umalis na yung chef namin. Ay, ayun na siya. Buwal siya. Sorry. Harap. We're tasting different parts of the beef. And iba-iba siya. Parang feeling ko same lang yung doneness, pero magkakaiba siya ng lambot. We'll enjoy our food first. Diyan lang kayo. Busog na ako. Matcha. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ayoko sa kanila dito, parang hindi na ako sinabihan na ilalabas na. Kahit kung kaisang din nandun. May plano kami.
Anong plano nyo?
Magbukasyon kami, compounds gano'n. Kasayo kami ng banner.
Hindi ko na napakita yung dessert. I'll just insert a photo here. Super sarap.